some days जब बच्चे स्कूल से आते हैं, after eating their dal, chawal, sabzi, chicken, they yearn for dessert. So I have a recipe that I make just for those days. It's quick, easy, and it has my favorite fruit, the apple, in it. I'm going to make a deconstructed caramel apple. I have here my apples. And now I'm just going to slice through. Put this together, and then I'm just going to slice this into tinier bits so that I can stuff this into my apple. So what I have here is some water with lime in it so that I do not have any discoloration, and then I continue with the same. When it is all nicely, finely chopped, you add this to the green apple already in the bowl. So now I'm going to start with our apple that we're going to bake. So I need a nice cap. So I take this out, cut the bottom a bit so you have a perfectly balanced apple sitting in the oven. Now, put this into the center of the apple and you just turn this. And then you pull it out anti-clockwise. So you get a nice round marking inside here in the center. You take a small spoon, put it into this. Go along the marked line and just scoop this out. And I'm going to do the same to the green apple. Insert it in. This is how it finally looks. So I'm just going to be putting my apples into this lemon water so that nothing gets discolored. And now to make my filling. So here we have some brown sugar or demerara sugar. Into this, I'm going to be adding some cornflour. Give this a nice good stir. A little pinch of cinnamon because it's yummy with apples. Some nutmeg for that beautiful subtle flavor. A pinch of salt. Some vanilla. A little bit of lemon juice. And then, of course, caramel flavored syrup. So now we're going to mix this all in. So now I'm just going to keep these apples here out of the water onto the side. These chopped apples into this lovely nutmeg, cinnamon, caramel, demerara sugar mixture. So now we're going to mix this all in. All we have to do is fill this into the cavity of these apples. Wow. So delicious and so tasty. You know, you can put in a little extra because they will cook down. Put my covers onto this. My oven is already being heated 220 degrees. I'm going to cook this for about 8 to 10 minutes. Sweet apples baking in the oven. That's the aroma that's in my kitchen. I'm going to move this lid a little away, some cream. Do take a look at our recap. It's really simple, really easy, and do come right back.
Deconstructed caramel apples. For deconstructed caramel apples, finely slice a whole green apple and put it in a bowl with lime water. Now, do the same for the red apple and add it to the bowl. Now cut off the ends of the apple to ensure that you have a stable base. Use a hollow mold to cut a circle in the middle of your apple. Now core your apple using a small spoon. Do the same with the other apple. Now in a separate bowl add 30 gram brown sugar, 1 tablespoon corn flour, 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon nutmeg powder, salt to taste, 2 teaspoon vanilla essence, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 100 ml of caramel flavored syrup. Now add your chopped apples and mix it all together. Fill the stuffing into your hollow apples. Cover your apples and place them in a baking dish. Bake them in a preheated oven for 8 to 10 minutes at 220 degrees Celsius. Garnish deconstructed caramel apples with fresh cream. Your deconstructed caramel apples are ready.